Dears, now we'll learn line command or how to use line to draw any object. So to use line, just you have to click here, line, and in command box, it's showing us a specified fast point. So you have to click any fast point where you want to use your line command, from where you want to start your line command. And after that, it's telling us specify the next point. Then you have to click the next point here, like that. Just see, just normally click and draw object using line. So this is the way to use a line command. And if you want to work with advanced tools or advanced command, then you can use command. How? First of all, press escape to clear all of our previous command, then write L and enter. Just see, after pressing L, you are seeing line. Then press enter. So your line command have been activated. So specify fast point, again click any point as per your requirement, and then go for the next point here, 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 and here, and here, like that. So this is the way to use your line command perfectly.